what exactly do you develop websites? Have you developed them now?
No, not really actually.
Do you
We
want?
have we have the team to help us develop the website, but we know roughly, like, we plan out the whole wireframe, how many pages, how does the pages layout looks like and whatnot, but we don't exactly create a website. Yeah, so we have a developer or junior developer to do it on the WordPress.
Under WordPress.
Yeah.
Your website URL is?
Sorry?
Your website URL is?
www.surya.
Surya.
Yeah.
Surya.com.
No, not this Surya. It's SURIA.
SURIA.
IA. Yeah. Surya FM. Then FM.
I didn't get it. Can you message me up?
Can. Let's continue with the word FM and then .com.ny.
Okay. Me.
You have to have the .my as well, I think. Nope, not this one.
.fm.com.
No, suryafm.com.my. There's a my at the back.
Okay. suryafm.my.
.com.my.
.com.my.
Yes. So this is the Malay website.
Okay. So it is an FM website.
Yes.
This is a blank space?
No, these are the sliders.
Slider. Your website is taking a huge time to load.
Yes.
That should not be there. Because let me tell you a few things about a website. Whenever you are building a website, that is pretty fine. You have a huge level of engagement on your website. Okay, that is pretty fine, but it should not take a very huge time to load actually.
Okay.
As how to check the page loading time, you can copy the URL and the tool is tools.pingdom. Okay.
Tools what? Sorry,
Tools.pingdom.com. Okay, and you can give the URL of your website, and if you see it will show you the page loading time of your website. You can see how much is the page loading time is 10.22 seconds, and the size of the page is 1.2 MB. Sorry, 12.9 MB, which is very high. If you look at my different websites, the time should not be that much high, because in internet marketing the user leaves the website if it doesn't get open maximum in 5 seconds. Most of the user leave the websites.
Yep, agreed.
Okay, so improve the loading time of it and the page size. If you decrease the page size, you get whole lot of information from here, which size image is greater, which size image is lower. You can get a huge number of, like you can see all these JS, They're not working, but still are there on the page.
Oh, those in red, is it?
Yes, those which are in red. You want to get more details about it, then what you can do is you can try speed page speed insight, which is a tool by Google. Okay, to tell you what exactly your score will be, and that affects each and everything. Okay, if I look towards the ACO, it is affecting your ACO as well, because nowadays Google doesn't allow the website which has higher loading time on the top pages. Okay, you can see your score.
Oh, yeah.
It's pathetic. It's 18 and 25.
Okay.
And imagine how bad your score is, and it
Yeah.
gives you the information which, if you reduce the sizes, even you can reduce the page size by 1.4 MB. Okay, this is just optimization of images, enable compression, cookies, and lot of things. You can download all these things from here. They have optimized and they will help you to do that. Okay, so this is one thing where you have to work, and you should work on the mobile. How your website looks on mobile, is that responsive or not? You have to work around that as well. Okay, I will be telling you one tool right now in the session how you can manage the website quite easily. Okay, and
Yep.
the loading time will be reduced out. Let me show you that tool as well in WordPress only. Okay, I also work in WordPress. So
Oh, right.
because it is the easiest tool to work on to build the website.
Yep.
Okay, if you don't have a very good amount of technical knowledge, even you can still make the website. You don't require any single line coding till now. I am not still using any coding. I will show you few of the pages and their loading time.
Okay.
Okay, if I show you the page.
It's under WordPress plugins, is it? Plugins too.
No, this is a page. Okay, like
Oh,
I'm
okay.
selling an ebook, so I designed this page. If you look at this page load time, if you look at this page load time, then you can find it how this plugin is quite effective.
Okay.
Okay, let me show you. Okay, you can see the page loading time is just 5.
5 seconds.
Okay, even you can improve on it as well. Let me show it how we can improve on it as.
Okay.
And if you put it over here, you can see the score as well. Still not good, but still better than the one. It is 35
42.
and I have few other websites as well, which will be having for sure a good quality score. They are also on WordPress.
Okay.
See, 74 and 87.
Oh.
You can achieve the score as well on the WordPress by using one plugin. That which plugin I used right now is an optimized press plugin. Okay, Optimize Press plugin is the plugin which is used to make pages on your website. You can design n number of pages and it makes the things quite easier. Okay, so this is the website of them. It helps you to make any sort of page, like the page you have right now of your website. You can design it quite easily. Okay, how you can design is, if you buy this plugin and install it, you have to click on create a page,
New page.
new page. Okay, under this plugin, that is Optimize Press, and you can start with the blank page or a predefined templates. If like I am building it for a landing page which has a video on it. Okay,
Oh, okay.
your page is having a video, so video test page I'm writing the name as. Okay, you have to just write the page name and it will create a page. Okay, the page is right now available here in front of you.
Yep.
Okay, the page is ready. You can change the headings. Sorry. Okay. You can make the changes over here, like instantly download our highest converting video or channel, highest converting social media channel. Okay, you write this heading. You want to change the font size, you have the option. You want to change the style of the font, which type of style you might not be getting in other plugins, but this is the plugin which can give you the most popular open sans. Generally people use this one. You can define the pixels and everything, any length behind it, and once you are done, click on insert. You can see instantly download our highest converting social media channel video, and you can, if you want to give a video, you can give the video by clicking on it. Okay, you have to just give the YouTube video. Okay, you want to give a YouTube video, you have to just upload your video on YouTube and you can give that video URL over here. Let me show you my video. Okay, like how to make Twitter ads. I have recently made this video. If you just copy this URL and just you just copy this URL and give it over here, this YouTube URL, it will load it. You can define the margins and everything over here. You can autoplay it. Once the page is loaded, it starts autoplaying. You can hide the controls as well, where the user cannot stop it. Okay, but do not hide. You can look towards the alignment and the video is there. Okay, the video is live. You can give the download button, like subscription button over here and other things. And even if you want to delete it, anything, you can delete it from here. You want to add a button, let's suppose. Okay, you want to add a button, like you just have to type button over here and it gives you various options of buttons, which type of button you want. Like you want this type of button or this type, reserve your spot or add to cart. You can give that. Background image you can vary well. A yellow color is the preferred one. Dark or light, you want the content written on it, add to cart and the link behind it, and you just insert it. Okay. You can have two buttons at the same time. One button is there, and if you want a pop-up over it, okay, you can have that one as well. How to give that is you have to just delete it. Okay, click on add an element. There is an element in this plugin that is overlay optimizer. In overlay optimizer, you can give the style of the button or the text. Okay, you want to give a button. You want to change the text, download now. Okay, you can give the button like download now. You can increase the font size and everything. It's purely up to you. You have to just click on insert. The button is here. If you click on the element, you can add an element like an opt-in form where the user can fill up the details. Okay, you have to just give that which type of opt-in form you want. You can give him the opt-in form like this one. You want to customize or integrate with the email marketing, your email marketing plugins, so you can integrate it with GetResponse. Okay, and you can define the number of fields like over here, the content in the top. If you want to write download now, get the free ebook. On WordPress. Okay, you can define that. Okay, once we define it, insert it. Okay, it will look like this. You can change the field, it's purely up to you. And once you are done, update it. Now if you want to publish it, you have to click on change the angle from draft to publish. Okay, and save and continue. Okay, and now if you want to see it, how this page looks like, the page is ready. The video is autoplay as you have clicked on it. Okay,
Yep.
Start playing. If he wants to download this video, click on it. You get the plugin. Okay, you get the plugin where he can fill up and get the access of this video directly. It is that easy. Okay, in just few minutes or in just few seconds, you can build any sort of page which you are looking forward to, and anything you want to add, you have to just think of an idea. If you are looking forward to design this page, you can even create that page as well where your logo is coming and the video is coming, everything you can design. Okay.
Okay.
Sliders, everything is available. And these pages are having a very good speed in comparison to the pages which is developed through the themes or other coding, because it reduces the coding and effort and everything into it. Like you want to add a social media sharing button into it, you can still add. Okay, click on add an element, you write just social media, social sharing, click on it. How you want the fonts should be. Okay, you want like this one, you have to just give the URL to like or share and then click on insert. You have it over here. If you want it above, you can have it here. Okay, you can put two elements together as well in the same row. You have to just edit it. Okay, you have to add an element or add a row. You have 2 columns row or 3 columns, it's purely up to you. You want the page like this one, the feature area, which seems to be the logo, the links, the video, like the page you have. Okay, you can define it in this particular feature one, you will easily get it. Okay, and define it. Now you can put the logo over here and all the elements, video and everything over here. It's just the website will be ready in just 10, 20, 30 minutes if you have the content with you ready. Okay. If the content is ready, it's like it will not take more than 20, 25 minutes to create the page. And the most attractive pages, your page seems to be one of the attractive pages, so you can create that page quite easy, and it will and your page loading time will be less for sure after using this plugin. And if you want to buy it, you can buy it from this site, that is Optimized Press.
Optimized Press. Okay.
Okay, and if you click on it, it will show you the plans. There are 3 plans. You can use it on 3 websites. It's not that costly. It's just 97 bucks USD. Okay, and you can run it on 3 websites. If you want the URL, I can give the URL as well.
Okay.
I'm just sharing the URL. Just hold on.
Okay.
I have the just a second.
So basically, this site will actually help to improve the page load, is it?
This tool can work for you. Okay, this tool will help you to improve the page loading time. As you have seen, my page loading time was 5 seconds and your one is quite heavy. Okay, so
yep.
If you use this plugin, the amount of time it is required to create will reduce, and as well as the speed loading time and everything will reduce. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so do you have a domain name or web hosting, or you want to develop the website in the session as well?
Sorry, do I have a domain name, is it?
Do you have a domain name? Your personal one where you can work on?
Actually, no. Do I have to create one?
Not required, but if you want to develop the website, like if you want to take the trial of each and everything, you can try within the session as well, or after the session. It's purely up to you, because you are the one who is attending the training, so we can customize the things for you.
I see. Can I do it on my own time? I'll try an error, but if I have any question, I'll ask you. Is that okay?
That is also fine. That is not a problem.
Okay.
Okay, so I have shared the link with you. That is an Optimized Press link. If you open it, you can have the link and you can buy it. And once you install it on your website, okay, your page will be live and you can make page quite easily. This is how quite easy the things are. You can even make the membership sites or the webinar pages or the sales pages, anything. And if you go into the member section of Optimized Press, you have huge number of templates under it as well. Okay, let me log in. Okay, in extra downloads you can see a lot of okay, you have membership sites, videos, everything is there, how to work on it even. In website designing, do you have any questions in this part, Joanna?
So far, no. Just a quick one, like for WordPress, right? It is actually a general free tool, right? It means everyone or anyone can just learn it easily and start uploading the website, right?
Yes, it is a
okay.
But rest of the things in this tool are paid. So let me close down a lot of tabs.